Hello, my name is Jason Mercer, the Toronto Real Estate Board's Director of Market Analysis and Service Channels. With May behind us, we are 2/3 of the way through the spring market. I would like to take the next few minutes to go through what transpired in the market over the past month. Greater Toronto Area Realtors reported 7,834 sales through TREB's MLS system in May 2018. This result was down by 22.2% compared to May 2017. While the number of sales was down year over year, the annual rate of decline was less than reported in February, March, and April, when sales were down by more than 30%. On a month-over-month basis, seasonally adjusted May sales were basically flat compared to April. The supply of homes available for sale continued to be an issue. New listings were down by 26.2%. The fact that new listings were down by more than sales in comparison to last year means that competition increased between buyers. The dip in new listings is supported by recent consumer polling results from Ipsos, where listing intentions are down markedly since the fall. The bottom line is that people continue to see home ownership as a sound, long-term investment. Unfortunately, many home buyers are still finding it difficult to find a home that meets their needs. In a recent Canadian Centre for Economic Analysis study undertaken for the Toronto Real Estate Board, it was found that many people are overhoused in Ontario, with over 5 million extra bedrooms. These people don't list their homes for sale because they feel there are no alternative housing types for them to move into. TREB continues to stress that policymakers need to focus more on the missing middle home types to bridge the gap between detached houses and condominium apartments. Now, with this in mind, let's turn to price. The MLS Home Price Index composite benchmark was down by 5.4% year over year. The average selling price for all home types combined was down by 6.6% to $805,320. On a seasonally adjusted basis, however, the average selling price was up by 1.1% compared to April 2018. The month-over-month trend suggests that we may be turning a corner with respect to the price trend. Market conditions are becoming tighter in the Greater Toronto Area, and this will provide support for home prices as we move through the second half of 2018 and into 2019. There are emerging indicators pointing towards increased competition between buyers, which generally leads to stronger price growth. In the City of Toronto, for example, average selling prices were at or above average listing prices for all major home types in May. Moving away from May stats specifically, it's also important to remember that this is an election year, both provincially and at the municipal level. TREB just released Ipsos survey results regarding issues relevant to the upcoming elections. The poll found that among 9 listed issues, including healthcare, government spending and balancing the budget, taxes, housing affordability, energy costs, economy, transportation and traffic, environment and climate change, and enhancing social programs, 25% of GTA residents ranked housing affordability in their top 2 most important issues for the Ontario election campaign. 68% agree that a party's platform on housing affordability will influence who they vote for in the provincial election. Nearly 6 in 10 GTA residents believe that government policy should focus equally on increasing the supply of housing and reducing the demand for housing. Few believe policies should only be focused on reducing demand. Finally, more than 3/4 of GTA residents support reducing the provincial land transfer tax, and 68% support repealing this tax completely. Well, that completes our market summary for May. I look forward to speaking with you again at the beginning of July. Thanks very much.
Brought to you by GTA Realtors.